Today I will teach you the next chapter, representations of a rational numbers on the real line. It is written here. Now, how do we represent a rational number on a real line? This one the number line where 0 is in the middle of this line and this portion is positive rational number and here this portion is negative rational number. When we have to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are in positive. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, all these are in negative. But if in your book it has asked the questions in a rational number, so in a previous classes you know all about it, but in exercise 1b, question number 1, represent each of the following numbers on the number line. First question is 1 by 3. At first, here this one 0 and see here the denominator. How many? Denominator is 3. It means one block will be divided in equal 3 parts. The first part is called 1 by 3, second part is called 2 by 3 and third part is 3 by 3. So cancelled and it becomes 1. Here what the question has asked, we have to represent it. Here 1 by 3. So now we can easily represent it and this one the P. So here P is equal to 1 by 3. This one your answer. Now next question. Question number 3. 1 whole 3 by 4. 1 whole 3 by 4. How do we represent it? At first this one the mixed fractions. Make it in improper fraction. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4. Now the same way 0 this one first block and second block. Here in a place of denominator 4 is laying here. So one block will be divided in equal 4 halves. Again the next block is equal 4 halves and the first one is called 1 by 4, second is 2 by 4, third is 3 by 4, that one 4 by 4 which will be cancelled and it becomes 1. Again 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 and this one 8 by 4, it will be cancelled and here it becomes 2. Now the all required question is 7 by 8. So this one my answer and here P is equal to 7 by 8. This one the answer. This one the process which you can easily do so. And again in question number 2. In question number 2, here nothing, it is in negative rational number. Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. The first question is -1 by 3. Like the same, this one your number line. Here this indicates 0 and that one +1. But here this one also -1. But one block will be divided into 3 equal halves. And the first one is called, here this one is called -1 by 3, that one -2 by 3 and this one -3 by 3 which will be cancelled and it becomes 1. So our required answer is 1 by 3. So here P, so P is equal to -1 by 3. Like the same, the other questions, the next one is -1 whole 2 by 3. Here, this one the number line. Here it indicates 0, this one minus 1, and that one the minus 2. And see here, the denominator place is 3. So one block will be, this block is divided in 3 equal parts. So this one also, at first do it in improper fractions. 3 1 are 3 plus 2 5. This one here 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Now count it. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, and that one minus 5 by 3. Here this is your answer. The required question is, now you may write it here, p is equal to minus 5 by 3. This one your answer, and all these questions you may do it by this way. Hope this one visible for you. And which of the following statement are true or which are false? This one the true or false questions which you are capable to solve it, and wherever you have a problem, so that time you may write in the comment box and I will try to solve all the problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.